Hi, this is Lisa from JoyfullyArt. I'm going to be doing a colander pour today. This is a 14 by 14 canvas, and my colors are going to be Artist Loft turquoise, Artist Loft cerulean blue, Artist Loft metallic bronze, and I did put a little bit of deco art 24 karat gold in the mix, and this is deco art quinacridone violet. So those are my colors for today. And this is a painting from my last video. It was the ghost pour that I redid. So it turned out a lot better than the other one did. Nice and shiny, dried really well. So on with the next. Get my colander. Start pouring our colors into the cup. I hope I have enough. These are leftovers from another pour I did the other day. It was a rather big pour. I'm doing a clock. It was rather big. Down a second. Take my white. Do want to put some white in here. Go. I think I'll just use up the rest of the colors that I have, and then if I don't use them all, I can put them in my leftover paint cup until I have enough to do another painting with them. This is the last of the purple. And I think I'm a little bit more white on top. We'll be good. Okay. Okay, I'll put that off of there. Okay, let's hope for the best. Here we go. Dog hair. It's a hazard when you have dogs. There we go. These are such pretty colors coming out together. Beautiful. Oh gosh, don't know if you can see inside that cup or not, but man, that is so pretty. Let it sit for a minute to see if I can get them all the color to drain out. Don't want to really have to stretch it too much. I don't want to lose the pattern that I have. Wish I had more paint. Okay, let's raise this up very slowly. Oh, that is so pretty. With a torch. Thought I had enough paint, but I think I'm gonna have to stretch it too far. I might lose some of the my make sure I have a rag handy. Get my hands wiped off after I do this. Don't worry about my edges too much because I can fill them in afterwards. Try and get some of them. Don't want the paint to roll over itself, so I want to make sure I get as close as I can. Okay. Now here comes the worst part. I hate to tilt it away because I know it's gonna, try and keep it in frame for you. I got my television set up so I can see better. Go this way. If I tilt very slowly, maybe I'll be able to keep it better. Back to the middle. Always want to go back to the middle so you can, let's go this direction. Back to the middle. Back up to this far corner over here. Make sure you're still in frame. I've got a TV in front of me. My husband hooked up for me so I can see and make sure that you're in frame all the time, which is a great deal. So you don't miss anything. Get back this way. Let's go to this corner over here. Stop. All right, back to the middle. Get some of that. Didn't get all the way to this corner, so let's try that one again. There we go. Bring it back. I lost the little balloon thing in the middle, but that's all right, I guess. Looks pretty good. Put my stick back here. There we go. Well, that didn't turn out too bad. I don't think. This way just a little bit. What do you guys think? I wish you could talk. I wish you could hear me. I could hear you. Whoa. Oh, I don't need that. Don't need that at all. All right, let me get my hands wiped off. Give it a torch. I'd really like it if you could share this with your friends and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you hit the bell next to the subscription button, you'll be notified when I put up a new video. I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying really hard to get my subscribers up. So I'd really appreciate it if you could share. Let everybody know that I'm here to stay. And leave a comment if you want. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me do. I do commission work. All my paintings are for sale. All the things are down in the description. So just let me know whatever you want to do. Here's a close-up for you. I think it turned out really nice. It's really pretty. Love those colors together. Thank you for watching and have a great day.